Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer money with Wise. First, you'll need to create an account or log into your existing one. Once logged in, select Send Money and choose whether you're sending to yourself or someone else. Then, specify the amount you wish to send and the currencies involved. Wise will show you the exchange rate and fees upfront. Next, you'll tell Wise who is receiving the money. You can send to a new recipient or select one from your saved list. You'll need their full name, address, and bank account details, such as their IBAN or account number and sort code. Double-check all the information carefully to ensure your money goes to the correct person without delays. Now it's time to fund your transfer. Wise offers several convenient payment methods, including a direct bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Each option may have slightly different fees and processing times, which will be clearly displayed. Select the method that works best for you, considering both speed and cost efficiency. Before finalizing, Wise will present a summary of your transfer. This is your last chance to review all the details, the amount, recipient, and payment method. Once you're satisfied, confirm the payment. You'll receive a confirmation email, and you can easily track the status of your money in real time through your Wise account or mobile app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.